Welcome to my Traffic Shark review. Are you struggling for traffic just like 99% of other online marketers? Would having access to practically unlimited, viral buyer traffic help you out? If you answered yes, and you want to succeed in 2022, then you'll want to pay close attention to this video and stick around until the end for my custom bonuses. Why is traffic the biggest issue for most people? Because most methods are too complicated or time-consuming. Most sources are highly competitive. And most gurus don't use the same traffic methods they teach. Well then, you are probably asking the question, how do I start making money? Introducing Traffic Shark. Traffic Shark is a cloud-based software that can replace multiple software applications and performs better from a single dashboard. There simply isn't a better or faster way to get paid by building your list from the ground up. It has an integrated passive traffic system that taps into an underground traffic source to provide you with unlimited traffic from over 800 million buyers. With Traffic Shark, you can build a massive list of raving subscribers while earning up to $500 per person without selling anything. Traffic Shark is so simple to use, it only requires 2 steps. Step number 1. Click the buy button below to get your copy of Traffic Shark right away. Step number 2. Flip the built-in traffic switch and watch floods of free traffic activate your done-for-you magic profit link. Then, just sit back, relax and watch as the traffic starts pouring in on autopilot. The Traffic Shark front-end price includes over $13,000 in features but only costs a one-time fee of $17. There are also 7 upsell offers to take you to the next level. I really think this is something every online marketer could use if they want to make some money online. As I mentioned earlier, if you purchase Traffic Shark through my link, you will receive my free custom bonuses. It is an affiliate marketer's bundle of ebooks and software that I have put together. Click the link in the description for full details.